Hi, this is Chris from Total Parts Plus, and today we have a 2016 Nissan Navara ST dual cab chassis used, stock reference number 5096. This shape runs from the 5th month 2015 through to the end is the current shape. It has a YS23 DDTT 2.3 litre 4-cylinder twin turbo diesel engine backed by an automatic 4-wheel drive transmission. YS23 DDTT 2.3 litre 4-cylinder twin turbo diesel engine. We have the left front 16-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre, left power door mirror in chrome, left rear door appears to have no damage, left rear 16-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre, factory alloy tray painted black, less the sides and headboard, right rear 16-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre, right rear door has one small dent, right front door has one small dent, right power door mirror in chrome, and a right front 16-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. We have the driver's side door trim, power window master switch. This vehicle is fitted with black cloth interior, black cloth center console lid, automatic type console, automatic gear shifter, heated controls, single stack CD player, interior mirror, courtesy lamp, sunglass holder type, left hand sun visor, right hand sun visor, instrument cluster, and a tidy 3-spoke leather steering wheel with cruise audio and phone buttons.